Good day, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code Matplotlib in Python. So today, if you've watched my previous video, we've covered that NumPy and Pandas. So, if you're looking for a tutorial for NumPy and Pandas, just go to my channel and watch my videos on NumPy and Pandas. So today we're going to explore Matplotlib. Now, to start with this, Matplotlib isn't just four lines. Bar charts compare categories and scatter plot shows relationships. Now, let us see how they work and why the code looks the way it does. So, first things first, let's import matplotlib.py.stl. Now that we've imported, let's have categories. Let's say we have view1, view, view, view3. Now finally, view4. Now let's have the revenue. Equals 45, let's say we have 45 and 65, and then finally 70. Now let's continue with the bar. So let's type PLT bar, that bar, and then parentheses, categories, and then the revenue. And then let's add color. And let's say we have color of, let's say 2CA02. 2CA02C. Is that correct? Now that we have color, don't forget to add edge color. Now guys, don't forget to add edge color because edge color is for me is the most important part of this code. You see, edge color. You see, if you don't add edge color into your chart will look like a huge block. Okay, and it will be hard to understand or to see. But with edge color, you will see or you will understand. Later, I'll show you. Okay. Now for edge color, let's say we have color black. Later, I'll show you what the edge color. Why the edge color is the most important for me. Right? This, that, and that's the presenter. That's the title. Okay. And let's say we have a title of quarterly revenue. Does it sound good? For me, it sounds good. So let's continue. So let's continue with text label. PLT text label. And that quarter. It's that quarter. Quarter. Then let's retype. My bad. Let's retype it. So PLT that text label. Then this the quarter. Then quarter. Let me double check. No. Oh, made a mistake. There we go. Now let's press enter. Now let's have build that while label. Label. This will go for the debit. Debit. Let's type enter. Then let's show it. The moment of truth. Show. There we go.. Now you see Without edge color, this will be nothing. This will be nothing. Okay. Now, you see Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. They're here. You see that here. Now for 45. Now Q1 has 45. It's correct. It's 45. Q1 is 45. Then Q2 is 60. 60 it is. Then for Q3, it's 55. Between 60 and 50. 55. Now for Q4 is 70. 70 it is. So we have done it correctly. Now let us proceed to label the values directly. Now let's label them directly. Okay. Now for this, we'll just have to type PLT that bar. Then the price. Then revenue. Oh my god, my bad. I forgot. Bars equals PLT. My bad, my bad. Now let me go over it. Then category. Then revenue. And then press enter. Now for bar is bars. That's the PLT that injects bar. Then that get X. We're going to get X for here. Then add. Then add bar that get. We're going to get the width. Width. Then divide 2. Then bar that get. We're going to get the height. Height. Then add 1. Stick. So then fixtures. There we go. Now let me double check it first. Now that it's correct, now we're going to continue. Now let's type SDR bar. That we're going to get height. 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 Then enter. And then we can go. Equals. Enter. Press enter. And enter again. This worked because PLT that bar here. PLT that bar returns bar objects. This worked because PLT that bar returns bar objects. Okay? Now, each object has get X here. Get X. Then get width. Then get height. Now, you use those to place text in the center above each other. Now to continue, let's continue with, let us proceed with scatter plots. Okay? Now, let's import numpy. And now, let's type in that random. That bad. Bad. Seed first. Seed. And there's take there, so let's take over it. Seed. Then X is equals NG that random. That bad. There goes the rand. Okay. And then this. Let's put parentheses in the handle inside. then press enter, then for a while, then we will have 2 times x, then add np dot random dot normal, normal, uh, 0, 0.1, then 100. Then let's just press enter, then let's type PLT dot scatter, then x, y, then s equals 280, then alpha is equals to 0.7. Then C is equals to Y. Then C map is equal to DD. Now edge color. Edge color. Let's for edge color. Let's white. Right. Press enter. Now that we have it, let's have title. Title. Let's say gather plot with color mapping. What a title! Now that we have a title, let's just press enter. Then for X label will be that X label. Now for the X label, we're just going to variable X, variable X, then that for Y level is we're going to have variable Y. We're going to variable Y. First, God misspelling label. It's supposed to be label. What's wrong with my fingers? Now it's that. Now it's done. Let's just press enter. Then let's continue with PLT dot color bar. Now for this, we're just going to type label equals y value, y value. Then those parentheses. Then let's press enter. At the moment of the root, let's show it. And 1, 2, 3, voila. Now, the Y value. From here. It's the same that we did. We did with this. It's the same we did with this. Now, this worked because PLT that scatter. Where's it? Here. PLT that scatter plots individual points at Y and M at X and Y coordinates. Unlike plot, it doesn't connect them. Okay? So SAT controls point size and alpha 0.7 makes points semi-transparent. Overlapping areas get darker. Now C equals Y, and C map equals periodis. Map the Y value to color. Points with higher Y gets brighter colors. Color bar. Now, color bar adds the scale so readers know what the color means. Right. You understand? Here. Now, to proceed, proceed with combining both. So, let's just type fig. Now, we're going to combine the both. Combine both, okay? So, let's just type fig access equals give that subplot. Now, for this, we're going to have 1, 2, 2. Just follow my lead, guys. Fig size. Just follow my lead. Then it's equal to then 4. Then close parentheses. Press enter. Now access. Then this. Then that bar. That the code is at the code is. And then uh, now let's continue typing. That X 1. That scatter X Y alpha equals 0.6. Then let me double check first. Then let's press enter. Now PLT that side. Then layout. Then press enter. Then PLT show. Moment of truth. PLT show. Now there you go. I love that. Isn't this amazing? Now this works because each access object is independent. You call access 0, 0 bar, 0 dot bar for the left plot, and access 1 dot scatter for the right. Tight layout prevents labels from overlapping. Right? So, this is it, guys. I hope you understand the lesson for today. I hope that my tutorial helps you with whatever you're doing. So, thank you for watching, guys. This is it. This the tutorial for Matplotlib. Right. Now, see you guys.